Hello Cybers, and we are in Brno for the first day of the JURIX conference at the University Faculty of Law. I am now with Westermann, who is now working at the Masaryk University, and you are the organizer of one of the workshops of the first day of the JURIX conference about AI for access to justice. All right. So we are at the end of this day, and I would like to have your impressions about the presentation, and as well as the one you did last.
Sure, absolutely. No, I think it's been a fantastic day. We had a lot of really interesting presentations, I think. It was very big. There was a lot of attendance, which is great to see that there's so much interest now for access to justice and AI. And I think there were some really cool takeaways from this workshop as well. So one thing you saw is that, LLMs are now very big and very important, of course, and there are so many different ways to use this for access to justice and so many hands-on projects as well. This was evaluated with real people to see the responses, how they felt about this, and some limitations. And another very important takeaway was the kind of user focus. So many of the presentations talked about how important it is to look at the user, their experience, and how that can be evaluated. And so Margaret Hagen, for example, did a presentation on different aspects that users find important in LLM answers and that experts find important in these answers. And there were some very interesting results there. And so my research was focused on using LLMs to extract data from pictures. So the idea is that we'll be able to take a picture of a form and the LLM would automatically find the relevant fields, the relevant information, and we'll kind of synthesize that, integrate it into a new form or like a claims document or applying for government benefits. And this is something I think will be very helpful for people. And instead of having to find the right forms, find the right information and type it in, they could ask the LLM, snap some pictures of some forms and automatically extract the relevant information from those.
All right, thank you a lot.
Thank you.
Today I am with Tan, which is a PhD student at the University de Montréal and also a research assistant at the Cyberjustice Laboratory.
Yes.
And you presented a paper today, and I would like you to describe it in a few words, and also your feelings about your first time on site at the JURIX conference.
Sure, thank you very much for this opportunity. Today we present our paper, Robust in the Middle, Evaluating Large Language Models in Dispute Resolution. So it's try to find out how well large language models can perform in mediation tasks. And the result is pretty good. Most of the time, the large language models are either better or equal to human performance. So that's really opened the door for us to integrate large language models in this kind of process, so that it could help a lot of people that cannot afford professional mediators or cannot go to court to solve their disputes, with the facilitator in between to figure out what's going on and propose a very nice solution. And for the second part, yes, indeed, it's my first time at JURIX. It's a very, very good experience. It's always good to attend conference in person, to talk with researchers, share ideas. And today we also see another approach to use structured method to conduct the mediation task. So that will be a very, very good direction to combine those two approaches together. So I'm very much looking forward to it. And yes, we will continue tomorrow for another
Thank you
day.
very much. So JURIX is now over, and we had many great presentations. If you are curious to learn more about them, you can read the conference Proceedings published by IRS Press, link in the description. And in any case, see you soon, Cybers.